This is what I got in mail today. It's Black Widow on 4K Blu-ray and digital HD. I'm so excited to have this. I have not watched it on 4K or Blu-ray yet, so I can't really review that, but let's take a look at, let me read the back. Natasha Romanoff, aka Black Widow, confronts the darker parts of her ledger when a dangerous conspiracy with ties to her past arises. Pursued by a force that will stop at nothing to bring her down, Natasha must deal with her history as a spy and the broken relationships left in her wake long before she became an Avenger. 4K Ultra HD is the movie only. Blu-ray is movie plus bonus extras, deleted scenes, gag reels, Sisters Gonna Work It Out, watches Scarlett Johansson and Florence Pugh train, fight, and bond to become a fearsome sister duo. Go big if you're going home. The cast and crew reveal the intricacies of stunts that made the film so action-packed, filmmaker introduction, and more. Now let's look at the disc. I really love this slipcover. It is very embossed, and I love that about this slipcover. But let's look at the disc. This is what it looks like. Just in case you want to read it. And this is the back of the slipcover. And of course you've seen the front. And here are the discs. For the movie. The Blu-ray and the 4K. I will also be getting the Steelbook and the red Blu-ray, and I will make a video on those when they come. Thanks for watching. Bye.